I always wanted to work at Google, but every time I applied, they ghosted me. Finally, just a few weeks ago, they reached out to me and I aced the technical and behavioral interviews. In this video, I'm going to reveal the exact strategy that got me into Google with no inside connections and no referrals. It's a strategy called the invisible hiring funnel, and there are thousands of people all over the world using it to get offers at these companies every single month. But in order for the strategy to make sense, I first have to tell you a quick story. So listen closely, because what I'm about to share with you could save you months or even years of wasted time and effort. You see, a few years ago, I was in your shoes. I remember staring at my screen day after day, submitting application after application. No responses, no interviews, just radio silence. Everyone kept saying the same things. Just do more leak code. You need a referral. Go to networking events and hand out your resume. So I did. I spent months grinding leak code. I begged people on LinkedIn to refer me. I walked around networking events in a suit, sweaty and exhausted, pretending to care about every company there. But nothing seemed to work. My friends were in the same boat as me, burnt out, confused, wondering if they even belonged in tech. Some were top of their class. One even had a 4.0 GPA. But it didn't matter. The rejections kept coming. Meanwhile, there were others we knew, people who didn't even seem that different, getting incredible offers. They weren't geniuses, they didn't have any crazy connections, but somehow they weren't even applying to jobs. They were getting recruited. While the rest of us were spamming resumes and hoping for replies, these people had offers coming straight to them before the jobs even went live on the company website. It didn't make sense until one day when I spoke with a mentor. I was on a call with a mentor who worked in tech, and I told him how frustrated I was. He asked me a simple question that changed everything. He said, "What if the roles you're applying to are already taken?" I didn't get it, so he broke it down for me. The best offers? They're invisible. They're taken before they even get posted. You see, recruiters already have a list of people that they want to reach out to. So if you're relying on the job board, you're seeing the leftovers. That hit me like a truck. Because here's the truth that nobody talks about. The top candidates rarely have to even apply. They get found. And that was the first time that I heard about a different way in. He called it an invisible funnel, a process where instead of you chasing jobs, the offers come to you. It sounded way too good to be true until I saw it in action. And here's the craziest part. If you've been rejected over and over again, it's not your fault. You've just been given the wrong playbook. Everyone told you to grind leak code and pray for a referral, but no one told you how recruiting actually works. No one taught you that cold applying is a broken system, and no one taught you to stand out before you even apply. But once I understood this new system, the invisible hiring funnel, everything changed for me. Within a few months, I went from no interviews to landing offers from companies like Amazon and Google. And more importantly, I felt in control. I wasn't begging for jobs anymore. I finally felt like I had some power over my career and my life. Now, in the past year, I've taken everything I learned and helped over 1,000 people exploit this exact same system. Let me show you how it works. Before anything else, you have to build a rock-solid foundation. I call these the Elite Engineer Essentials. Core concepts like gradient descent, linear regression, neural networks, the intuition behind transformers. You don't need to be a math genius, but you do need to understand these fundamental concepts that real AI engineers use. Even my colleague Boris Minardis, another huge proponent of the invisible hiring funnel, agrees that this is the most important step. Once you understand the fundamentals, you shift to building. But not just any projects. You need to implement real AI research papers from scratch. And you've got to fine-tune LLMs for industry-specific use cases. Finance, healthcare, legal, productivity, whatever interests you most. These aren't toy projects. They're the kind of projects that make recruiters say, "We need to talk to this guy." Let me give you some proof. One of my students, Shaker, followed this exact same process. He built a research paper implementation, fine-tuned an LLM for a niche use case, and showcased it beautifully. He ultimately landed an offer from AMD, and now he's living his best life in California. So once you build this kind of portfolio, the interviews come in fast. But now, the pressure's on. You still need to perform when it counts. You see, an interview is like a golden ticket. If you play your cards right, you're set. But if you make the common mistakes, you lose your chance. You've got to know the most common interview questions, the red flags that hiring managers look for, and most importantly, how to present your portfolio in an interview setting. One of my students, Chang, followed this exact path. After building a world-class portfolio, he crushed his interviews and landed an offer from Amazon, all thanks to the invisible hiring funnel. And I have dozens more stories like this from regular, ordinary people who landed high-paying offers, all thanks to their portfolio. Now, if you've made it this far, that is a sign that you need to take action now. Every single day that passes, your competition is leveling up, building projects, and claiming the best opportunities. In fact, every single day, someone else is landing an internship, landing a job, getting promoted, landing a new opportunity. And while you're just thinking about it, someone else is doing it. Promise me that today, not tomorrow, but today, you will start working on your portfolio. Now, if you're still watching, you have two choices. Option one is to implement this strategy alone. I'll be honest, this is possible. It's just not the most efficient option. Option two is to take the shortcut and work with me. Work directly with someone who's already walked this path. I've landed offers from companies like Amazon and Google, and I've helped over 1,000 people land their dream offer. Let me walk with you step by step through every part of the invisible hiring funnel. Simply click the link in the description to learn more. I do have to make one thing clear though. This is not an overnight success program. I cannot guarantee that you'll land an offer in the next 2 weeks or anything crazy like that. Instead, think of working with me like a shortcut, an accelerated route to reach your career goals in less time and with less headache and frustration. To top it all off, my team and I even offer a full money back guarantee. If you don't land your dream offer, which is incredibly unlikely by the way, given our success stories, you won't pay a single penny. I've never seen anything like this before. We truly want you to succeed. Again, you have two choices. You can try to figure this out alone, potentially waste months of time, and risk missing out on incredible opportunities. Or you can invest in your future, shortcut the whole process, and get the career, the financial security, and the respect you deserve. Click the link in the description to learn more about the invisible hiring funnel, and I'll see you on the other side.